Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to stop a nosebleed. Now, people get nosebleeds all the time from things like picking or bonking your nose too hard, and really to stop them it's very simple. All you gotta do is eat some ice. Alright, this is a cure, baby. Oh. My nose was pouring blood just a minute ago and now it's just about stopped. Let me get a couple more. They're so good. It's so effective. Nothing is more effective than this. Here. My nose is completely dry. There's no blood anywhere to be seen, and it's because I'm eating ice. You're welcome.